my name is Matt. I'm one of the BMW genius here at BMW Bridgewater, and today I'm here to show you how to activate your remote start. So the first step you're going to want to do is go to the main home screen in your iDrive menu system. Once you're in the main home screen, you're going to click on Car, and then you're going to click on Settings, and you're going to look for the climate control menu. After clicking on that, you will click on Preconditioning/Ventilation, Remote Engine Start, and then you will click on the setting to apply the checkbox, and the feature is activated. So now that we activated your remote engine start in the iDrive, the way you will start the vehicle is on the lock button. You're going to press it 3 times rapidly. The tail lights will flash, and your vehicle will run for 15 minutes.
Nothing like I've ever seen. It's just a thing of beauty.